Well, there's the bougainvillea plant that took a dive. Wow. It used to go up and over the other way onto the roof, but the wind blew it all down. I guess Neil had to chop out. It was all the way down to the ground. He had to chop it out just to get out. Funny, at 5 o'clock in the morning, he was asking me to help. No, I was a little tied up. I was in bed. I said no because I'd already been woke up 3 times during the middle of the night by the dogs, so I'm not too happy about that, but that's life. Life here. There you go. Out. Well, what can you do? Life here up on the hill, it's not so bad. It'd be great if people just had a few clues. Anyway. Up on a hill, they think I'm okay, or so they say. Not a bad place to be. Oh wow, that telephone pole up on the hill there. It's actually leaning over the one halfway up the hill. So, yeah. That's a lot of wires went down. Alright, I'm out.